Our brains are the most complex structures we know of, capable of incredible feats of creativity, logic, and emotion. Get ready to unleash the power of your mind. For years we've heard about the division between the left and right hemispheres of the brain and how they specialize in different functions. The left side is often associated with logic, language, and analytical thinking. It's the side that helps you solve math problems, analyze data, and think critically. The right hemisphere, on the other hand, is the realm of creativity, intuition, and spatial awareness. It's the side that comes alive when you're painting, listening to music, or navigating a new city. Think of it as the seat of your imagination and emotional intelligence. But here's the thing. It's not about choosing one side over the other. It's about recognizing that both hemispheres are constantly communicating and working together. Imagine a tightrope walker gracefully balancing across a high wire. It's not just about the strength in their left leg or the flexibility in their right. It's about the seamless coordination between both sides, working in perfect harmony to achieve something remarkable. When the left and right hemispheres are in sync, you unlock a whole new level of cognitive ability. You become a better problem solver, a more creative thinker, and a more well-rounded individual. That's why it's so crucial to find that balance, to strengthen the connection between both hemispheres, and to harness the full power of your mind. So, how do we strengthen the left side of our brain, the side that thrives on logic and analysis? This part of our brain is responsible for critical thinking, problem solving, and making sense of the world in a structured way. Well, it's like exercising any other muscle in your body. Just as you wouldn't expect to build muscle without effort, you can't expect to enhance your logical thinking without putting in the work. You need to challenge it, push it to its limits, and give it the right kind of workout. This means engaging in activities that require deep thought and concentration. One of the best ways to do this is through puzzles and games that require logical thinking. These activities are not only fun, but also incredibly beneficial for your brain. Sudoku, crosswords, and logic puzzles are like weightlifting for your left brain. They provide a mental workout that strengthens your ability to think clearly and solve problems efficiently. They force you to think critically, analyze patterns, and develop strategic thinking skills. These are essential abilities that can be applied in various aspects of life. Learning a new language is another fantastic way to stimulate your left brain. It challenges your memory, comprehension, and ability to understand complex rules. The process of deciphering grammar rules, memorizing vocabulary, and constructing sentences is like a full-body workout for your analytical mind. It keeps your brain active and engaged. And if you really want to challenge yourself, try your hand at coding. Programming requires a high level of logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Learning a programming language is like learning the language of the universe itself. It opens up a new way of thinking and allows you to create solutions to complex problems. It requires you to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps, to think logically and systematically, and to develop a keen eye for detail. These skills are invaluable in both personal and professional settings. Physical activities can also benefit your left brain. Engaging in activities that require precise movements and timing can enhance your cognitive abilities. Activities that require coordination and sequencing, such as dancing or learning a musical instrument, can strengthen the connections between your left and right hemispheres, leading to improved cognitive function overall. These activities are not only enjoyable, but also highly beneficial for brain health. Remember, the key is to challenge yourself regularly with new and engaging activities. The more diverse the challenges, the more robust your cognitive abilities will become. The more you push your left brain outside its comfort zone, the stronger and more adaptable it will become. This adaptability is crucial for tackling new and unexpected challenges in life. Think of it like training for a marathon. Just as you build physical endurance, you can build mental endurance through consistent practice. You start small, gradually increasing your distance and intensity, and over time, you build up the strength and endurance to achieve your goal. The same principle applies to mental exercises. So, make it a habit to incorporate brain-boosting activities into your daily routine. Consistency is key to seeing long-term benefits. Now let's move on to the right side of the brain, the realm of creativity and intuition. This side complements the logical left brain, creating a balanced and well-rounded mind. Now let's journey to the other side of the brain, the land of creativity and intuition. This is where the magic happens, where our thoughts transform into dreams and our ideas take flight. This is the hemisphere that allows us to dream, to imagine, to connect with the world on an emotional level. It's the part of our brain that helps us see beyond the ordinary and tap into the extraordinary. It's the source of our artistic expression, our musicality, and our ability to see the bigger picture. Whether you're painting a masterpiece or simply doodling, this side of the brain is always at work. One of the most powerful ways to stimulate the right brain is through art. Whether it's painting, drawing, sculpting, or any other form of visual creativity, these activities can unlock new dimensions of thought and feeling. Engaging in artistic pursuits allows us to tap into our emotions, express ourselves freely, and explore new ways of seeing the world. Photography, for instance, can help us capture moments and perspectives that we might otherwise overlook. Music is another fantastic way to awaken the right brain. Listening to music, playing an instrument, or even singing along to your favorite tunes can stimulate your mind and elevate your mood. Composing our own melodies can have a profound impact on our creativity, mood, and cognitive function. The act of creating music engages multiple areas of the brain, fostering a deeper connection with our inner selves. But creativity isn't limited to traditional art forms, it's also about thinking outside the box, coming up with innovative solutions, and approaching problems from a fresh perspective. This kind of creative thinking can be applied to any field or endeavor. It's also about thinking outside the box, coming up with innovative solutions, and approaching problems from a fresh perspective. This kind of creative thinking can be applied to any field or endeavor. One way to cultivate this kind of creative thinking is through brainstorming. This process encourages free-flowing ideas and can lead to unexpected and innovative solutions. Gather a group of friends, colleagues, or family members and challenge yourselves to come up with as many ideas as possible for a particular problem or project. The more diverse the group, the richer the pool of ideas. Don't censor yourselves, let the ideas flow freely, no matter how wild or unconventional they may seem. Sometimes, the most outlandish ideas can spark the most brilliant solutions. Another way to boost your right brain activity is to engage in activities that stimulate your senses. This can include anything from exploring new textures to immersing yourself in different environments. Take a walk in nature and pay attention to the sights, sounds, smells, and textures around you. Nature has a unique way of refreshing our minds and sparking creativity. By nurturing your right brain, you'll not only enhance your creativity, but also improve your problem-solving skills, boost your emotional intelligence, and live a richer, more fulfilling life. Embrace these exercises and watch your world transform. Now let's delve into the fascinating connection between balanced brain hemispheres and enhanced cognitive function. The human brain is a marvel of nature, with its two hemispheres working in harmony to create a symphony of thought and action. When both sides of your brain are firing in sync, you unlock a whole new level of cognitive power. This synchronization allows for more efficient processing of information and a more holistic approach to problem solving. You become a more effective learner, a sharper problem solver, and a more adaptable thinker overall. This means you can tackle challenges from multiple angles and come up with solutions that are both innovative and practical. Studies have shown that individuals with strong connections between their left and right hemispheres tend to perform better on a wide range of cognitive tasks, including memory, attention, language, and reasoning. These connections are like bridges that facilitate the flow of information across different regions of the brain. Think about it. When you're trying to solve a complex problem, you need both logic and creativity. This dual approach allows you to see the problem in its entirety and come up with a solution that is both logical and innovative. You need the left brain to analyze the data, break down the problem into smaller parts, and come up with a plan. This analytical approach ensures that every detail is considered and nothing is overlooked. But you also need the right brain to see the bigger picture, to make connections that might not be immediately obvious, and to come up with innovative solutions. This creative insight can lead to breakthroughs that pure logic might miss. Or imagine you're giving a presentation. The ability to engage both hemispheres can make your delivery more impactful and memorable. You need the left brain to organize your thoughts, present the information clearly and logically, and answer questions effectively. This ensures that your message is understood and your points are well articulated. But you also need the right brain to connect with your audience on an emotional level, to tell a compelling story, and to leave a lasting impression. This emotional connection can make your presentation resonate more deeply with your audience. In essence, when both sides of your brain are working together, you're able to tap into the full spectrum of your cognitive abilities, allowing you to navigate the complexities of life with greater ease, creativity, and success. This balanced approach can lead to more fulfilling and effective outcomes in both personal and professional settings, and the benefits extend far beyond just cognitive function. A balanced brain can also contribute to emotional well-being, better relationships, and a more harmonious life overall. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually find the time and motivation to incorporate all these brain-boosting exercises into my already busy life? Well, the good news is that it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just like launching a rocket into space, the key is to start small, build momentum, and make brain training a regular part of your daily routine. You don't need to spend hours each day doing brain teasers or meditating. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. One simple strategy is to incorporate brain-boosting activities into your existing routine. For example, instead of passively scrolling through social media during your commute, why not try a crossword puzzle or a brain training app? Or instead of watching TV before bed, spend some time reading a book, listening to music, or engaging in a creative hobby. The key is to find activities that you enjoy and that challenge your brain in new and interesting ways. Another effective strategy is to make brain training a social activity. Join a book club, a chess club, or a dance class. Not only will you be stimulating your brain, but you'll also be connecting with others and expanding your social circle. Remember, brain training is a marathon, not a sprint, so start small, be consistent, and most importantly, have fun with it. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible universe that exists within your own mind. Remember, your brain is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs regular exercise to stay strong and healthy. By incorporating brain-boosting activities into your daily routine, you can unlock your full cognitive potential and live a richer, more fulfilling life. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Which hemisphere do you think you use more? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep those brains engaged and never stop exploring the vast universe inside your head.